Hi there, this is Jackie Arendse, and I'm here to tell you about the Tax Faculty Year-End Update. All the jacarandas are flowering and the year is rapidly drawing to a close, which must mean that it is a good time to have a year-end update covering all the main tax developments in South Africa over the course of 2023. Now, there's a lot to cover this year, as always. We'll be looking at the various bills that should have been released in final form, and we'll be looking at what the final amendments are going to be. We saw the draft bills earlier this year. There were a lot of very contentious aspects in those draft bills. There's been a lot of discussion that has happened in the meantime, and it'll be interesting to see what has come through in the final bills. So we'll be talking about the Rates and Monetary Amounts and Amendment of Revenue Laws Bill, the Revenue Laws Amendment Bill, the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill, and the Tax Administration Laws Amendment Bill. We should have all of those bills in their final form, and we'll be able to walk you through what those changes are, to explain the implication of the various changes on your businesses, your clients' businesses, your personal finances, etc., to equip you to be able to properly advise your clients on the impact of the amendments. We'll also look at some of the main tax case judgments, and we've had a number of Constitutional Court judgments, Supreme Court of Appeal judgments, High Court judgments that we'll be discussing. And then, of course, we will also be going through some of the main aspects of the SARS documentation that's been released during the year, interpretation notes, rulings, guides, etc. So there's a lot to cover, and make sure that you don't miss these updates. We'll be doing face-to-face sessions, morning sessions in Johannesburg, Pretoria, Cape Town, and Durban. And that will be morning sessions from 9 until 1. And then there will be the same material will be also offered in webinar format, and that'll be in 2 webinars of 2 hours each that you would be able to sign up for. So your choice to come to a face-to-face session or to attend one of our webinars, but do sign up quickly and diarize those dates, and I look forward to engaging with you then. Thanks. Bye.